everybody. I'm at the river this morning, and the wind is a little on the rough side. I hope you guys can hear me all right. But beautiful day. I just hope we can get some fish to bite. You can get it out. You can actually paddle way upriver here, and it's not too bad. I mean, there is current plus the wind. That doesn't help today, but it's a nice spot. I was going to go over a few baits that I'm going to be using this fall. Show you guys. That is the D shad from Gary Yamamoto. I got it on a little weighted hook, belly weighted hook. I also fish that weightless, but it works really well. Just sling it out there, let it sink, pop it up a few times and let it sink. Just keep repeating that. Works pretty good. And we got a Kitech paddle tail. It's pretty good during the fall. A lot of bass chase shad, so anything that kind of looks like shad, imitates shad, will work good. And finesse styles like the Ned rig or wacky rig or weightless Senkos, stuff like that. And actually made an order. I ordered 5 dirty jigs. I'm gonna try to do a bit more jig fishing this fall. Some nice jigs though. They're not too expensive either on a tackle warehouse like the PB&J. Then beat this one off a few rocks. But got a few new jigs. Problem with my jigs, a lot of them rusted really bad. I don't know why, but they did. And this is a fall must have for the fall. The jerk baits. It's a really good fall bait. These little guys are actually really good. Those little blade baits. I don't really know what you call them. These are good. The lipless crankbaits and crankbaits, square bills are really good. And Texas rig. Use a lot of Texas rig. There's my amazing topwater box that I can't get a bite on. I have struggled. I always struggle with topwater. I don't know why. I just horrible at it, and I hate doing it. But I'm gonna get this unloaded and get out there before somebody comes. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. I mean, this week has been rough. I've caught a few fish, but I mean, it's just like one here or there. It's hard to make a video when you only catch one fish. But anyway it goes, I hope today I catch a fish. I would settle for one in this windy crap. And it's getting cold. But I'm gonna get out here, see what I can do, so stay tuned. Oh, we got one. Easy now. Not a bad fish. Not a bad one at all. Nice. Fat. Largy. Yeah, that's a good one. Or smallmouth, I mean. I don't know why I said largy. That's a really good smallmouth. Beautiful fish. Good hook. 2. I don't know why I said largemouth. Crap falling out the mouth. This is a good size one. Not a bad way to start the morning. With a 16.5 inch. 16.5 inch smallmouth. I will take it. It's fat too. Smoked that worm. See you, George. That was awesome. Never complain about 16.5 inch smallmouth for your first fish of the day. Just simple old wacky rig. Using the actual wacky hook this time though, because the water's swift here. But see if we can get some more. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to finish up. Bounce back to the boat ramp. Not a good morning. Caught the one really nice smallmouth when I started out, but that was it. Haven't even got another bite. I don't know what the deal is. Several places I've been, I've got one fish and then that's it for the rest of the day. I got so much, probably 6 or 7 clips of just catching one fish. I don't know what the deal is. I caught that one on the wacky rig and I threw it and never got another hit off of it. Throwing a little paddle tail swim bait right now, the Kitech. Still nothing. I don't know what their deal is. I guess maybe they're still in transition to the fall where it's cooler weather and the water's getting colder. So maybe they'll start biting this week, hopefully. But I guess I'm gonna get up here to the ramp. As always, everyone, thanks for watching.